Witness the power. Ah! Now I just have to lift that to that. This is so smart. This is why we need to get in here.
Big builds require big tools.
So, we left some of the hydraulic components in the trailer, and it seems like the lock is frozen. Nothing to see here. Haha! It worked! Fun fact, these are 3/8 bolts. One of these, in tension, can probably hold, I don't know, like 2,000 or 3,000 pounds. And we have what? 16 screws to hold on a panel that weighs less than a pound. Now these bolts are very important. We have to make sure they're very tight because they are decorative bolts. Fit out here. So now that we've built the alien power loader arm, the question is, how much can it actually lift? Well, all the strength from the power loader arm comes from this hydraulic cylinder, which acts as both the bicep and the tricep. We're putting 3,000 psi into the system. We can calculate the area of the bore. It's actually 7.0686 inches squared. If you multiply 3,000 by 7, you get 21,000 pounds. But if you add in that decimal place, your actual answer is 21,206 pounds. That's an extra 206 pounds of curling force. I don't know about you, but I can't even curl that with my own body. Okay, so if the cylinder can produce 21,206 pounds pushing this way, that means the arm will actually be able to lift almost 7,500 pounds if the weight is right here. If we use both arms, we'd lift 15,000 pounds. That's pretty awesome. And now, the arm. Owen, step right up. You can bring the camera with you. Now, whatever you do, do not drop the camera.
Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, just kidding. Went the wrong way.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
The chair is fine. The chair is safe. That's why we don't have seatbelts. Such a ballerina. Watch me.
I cannot muster excitement right now because I'm too busy not pooping myself.
Can you imagine once we get this going at full power? It could literally be a game. Can you stay on the arm? Oh my God, that is actually quite terrifying. Now if I pull this safety pin,